I just discovered this new unsaturated faceless niche that has the potential to go viral right now. You have probably seen some of these motivational videos, and they are going like crazy viral right now, and they are making thousands of dollars each month. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create these simple videos only using AI. Let's take a closer look at these videos to analyze what they all have in common.
Rule number 91. Fitness is 4 pieces of advice that changed my mentality. One of the best mental health tips I've ever read.
So as you can see, all of these accounts use the same exact voice, and I am going to show you where you can find it too. This videos consists out of 3 parts: a script, a voiceover, and stock footage. So make sure you stick around until the end for a bonus tip not many creators share. This Instagram account gained over 200,000 followers, posting this simple motivational videos. Kyun gets loads of engagement. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to make money online. First, we need to get a script for the video. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to give you 10 motivational quotes that is easy to understand in English. Now ChatGPT will give you 10 quotes. As you can see, they are a bit short for a video, which means the video will only be a few seconds long. So ask ChatGPT to make the quotes a little longer so that our video can at least reach the 30 seconds mark. Now ChatGPT gave us the perfect length quotes for our videos. Now we need a voiceover for our video. Go to 11labs.io. Now select any voice that will fit with the video. For this videos, I am going to use the Atom voice because it fits perfectly with the motivational niche. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the quotes ChatGPT generated for you and paste it into 11 Labs. Do this for at least 3 to 5 quotes. Now click Generate, and 11 Labs will generate a professional voiceover for your video. Now we need some background videos to keep the viewer engaged. Go over to Pexels or any other stock footage website like Pixabay or Mixkit, which is websites that provides you with videos you can use without getting GEA copyright strike. Search for Night Street in the search bar and filter it by vertical format. Now browse through these videos and download them. Now that we got all of the elements for our video, we need to go over to CapCut, a free video editing software. Select the videos you downloaded from Pexels and add them to the timeline. Now add the voiceover you generated using 11 Labs and adjust the videos according to the voiceover. Now we want to add some video effects to the videos to make it more motivational, if you know what I mean. Go to the Effects tab and click on the video effects. Browse through all of these effects and select some you like. Make sure you add transitions to the videos. Make sure it is smooth when switching to another clip, and to make the viewer stick to your video. If you want to give the video a darker feel to it, copy the settings I am about to show you. Go to the Adjust tab and copy these settings. Now the last thing we need to do is add captions to the video. You can do this by going over to the Auto Captions tab. Choose any of these templates and click Generate. Edit the captions to make it pop and gain the viewer's attention. I prefer bold captions because it attracts the viewer attention easily. Congratulations, you have just created your first video. Here is a bonus tip. You can upload these videos on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram to make sure you get the maximum growth potential. You can monetize your videos with YouTube and TikTok by joining their partner programs, which will pay you surprisingly well.
We're so happy you stuck around till the end of the video. Your support really means a lot to us. Thank you for spending your time with us and being a part of our community. We can't wait to see you in the next one.